Join us. We are in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, but we're not here to see Phil. We're here to check out Punxsutawney's first ever Bigfoot and Paranormal Expo. Before we go visit Bigfoot, I want everyone to be aware of over the summer, YouTube created a super thanks feature where people could tip their content creators on long form content. And now they just rolled it out for shorts. This is simply a way of tipping content creators for their hard work. Believe it or not, most of us content creators aren't rich and famous from our videos. It's easy enough to do. You just click on it. You click the amount that you want to put in, and you can type in a message.
OMG, that's cool beans.
So be sure to show your favorite content creators some love. Just throw them a small tip from time to time. I'm sure they will really appreciate it. Pennsylvania is the third or the fifth most popular sighting place for Bigfoot. And there are a lot of Bigfoot enthusiasts in Pennsylvania. Enough that they have conventions and stuff. All day long, there were speakers. There were vendors. They were selling all kinds of stuff. And we were so fortunate we were able to snag an impromptu interview from the founder of the Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project. Here it is.
My name is Mary Fabian, and I am the founder of Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project. It's my organization that I built to help other witnesses. We have over 17,000 members, and we are the largest group in Pennsylvania. We research and investigate sightings, and we're on Facebook. So look us up on Facebook. We have a YouTube channel. I have seen 5 Bigfoot, 3 in Pennsylvania, 1 in Ohio, and 1 in Oklahoma.
So, and people thought you were crazy?
They can think I'm crazy all they want, and hey, I'll talk Bigfoot all day to anybody.
So let me ask you this. You founded this project, so why?
Because I had approached other large organizations, and they ignored me and treated me like I was nothing. So I thought, okay, I'm going to start my own organization, and I will do the exact opposite. I will treat everyone as if they're special. I want to help as many people as possible, because there's a lot of people who have seen Bigfoot that have been traumatized by the sighting, and they get nothing but ridicule from their family and friends. And so that's in my heart to help those people, along with whoever else comes around that has any questions. You know, I may not be able to answer them all, and I can't, but I'll help as much as I can.
So on your Facebook group, can people like share their stories and kind of support each other?
Yes, we keep our group troll free. Any trolls that dare rear their head, we boot them out immediately. But yeah, it's a safe group for people to come in and share their sighting or what's happened to them. And we have county chapters where we have the chapters where they'll go out and research and help people in their area who have seen something, and they'll investigate the sightings. Right. We have members from all over the world.
Okay.
Literally all over the world. And yeah, we welcome everyone. It doesn't matter.
So if someone's struggling that they saw something and no one believes them, if they want to have someone, like-minded people to talk to, they can join your Facebook group.
Absolutely.
That's awesome. Let me say this. Rick is not crazy about us putting this video up on our channel. You know, obviously Rick is not a believer in things like the Jersey Devil and Bigfoot. I'm not saying I actually believe. It's not like I've ever seen anything, but I really do like to keep an open mind. I will give Rick credit, because when we went to Western Pennsylvania and I saw there was a Bigfoot Expo nearby, I was like, oh, I want to go to the Bigfoot Expo. And I'm sure he did not want to go, but he went. So I know that some people will think this video is silly, or maybe it's controversial, but here's my point. What I like about her Facebook group is that she said she's got 17,000 members on there. And imagine if you were that person that thought you saw something and nobody believed you, and I don't know, you thought you were crazy or discredited. That's why I really, really like her group, that people can share their stories. From a mental health perspective, I do think that it's good for like-minded people to have a place to vent and share their stories where other people aren't mocking them and putting them down. So I'm not saying that I believe either way. What I will say this, I do believe that strongly that the possibility of a Bigfoot or Jersey Devil or whatever could exist, because I just don't think that I know everything or humans know everything. So I think the possibilities are probably endless, and I like to keep an open mind like that. So if you're one of those people who have seen something, and need a support, you may want to check out the Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project website or YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link to both of those. Uh-oh, we got fireworks. That means we've got exciting news. This week we're going to start a new segment in our videos called In the Works. We're going to feature cargo trailer conversions that are in the works or in the build stage, and we're going to put up some pictures of their build and maybe comment on them. If you'd like to be considered to be featured in one of our videos, just send us your pictures to ricksharon9@gmail.com, and if you leave us your mailing address in there, we'll even send you a sticker. So here we go with our very first feature in the works pictures, and this is from a guy named Darren, and it looks like he is working on his countertop here. Very interesting design. I love the ammo in there, and I guess he just epoxied over it. And this, I didn't know what this was, but it appears that it is going to be a Murphy bed. Pretty cool looking. This is a pretty good sized trailer, it looks like. This is an 18 by 8.5 toy hauler. Yeah, the bed looks like it's pretty decent size too. And this trailer is used as a toy hauler. So it's pretty clean. There's not a lot in here. It's the bed, the counter, and it looks like it's easy enough to clean things down, keep it minimalistic, because they've got to put that big quad in there. So, nice design. Very nice. Thanks for sharing it, Darren. And remember, if you have a completed build, we're always looking for full-length videos that we could do. So we could do a tour if you're local to us, or we could do a virtual tour. So just shoot us an email if you're interested in being on one of our feature videos. Again, that's ricksharon9@gmail.com. Please remember, like, share, and subscribe if you like our videos. And if you were kind enough to hit that thanks button, we thank you so much. And pretty soon we're going to put together like a rolling credit screen at the end of rolling contributors. Thanks again, everyone.
You all come back now, you hear?